So if you want to create or set passkey in your Google account, here is a quick tutorial for that. For that reason, first of all, open up your any of the Google application. So I will go with the Google Drive. And then from here on to the right upper side, you will probably see this profile icon. So tap on this and then once again tap on the manage your Google account. Then again it will take some time to load. Now you need to scroll it down and simply select the security and sign in option. Tap on that. And then again you need to scroll it down and you will find out passkeys and security keys. So you need to tap on that. And now it will ask for pattern. So I will go with my pattern like this. And then it will take some time to load. And you need to type in use passkeys. Tap on that option. And then tap on done. And then again you can tap on create a passkey. And as you can see, we have created a passkey. So that's how you can simply create a passkey by tapping on this option. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.